Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate in real time using Google Drive. So if you want to collaborate in real time using Google Drive, it is very easy, seamless, and efficient because it integrates with tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slide. This is how you can get started and make the most of real-time collaboration features on Drive. So to collaborate, first you need to share the file. So you can just open the Drive in here and open the file that you want to collaborate on, whether it's Google Docs, Sheets, or Slide. For example, in here, I'm going to just open these files right here, this spreadsheets. And in here, you can just click on the share button at the top. This one's right here. Now you can just enter the email addresses of the collaborators. You can add more than one. And now you can just choose their access level, whether their access is viewer. They can only view the file. Commenter can only view and add comments, or editor can make changes. So because you want to collaborate in real time, I'm going to just go with editor. Here you can choose to notify them or not, and then just click on share. And after that, the collaborators need to open the file so that you can collaborate on the same file in real time. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.